So today I'm going to show you how to make a storyboard that looks like this. This is a strip that I made with the 5 photos that I resized. So I'm going to show you very quickly how to do this. It's pretty easy, and once you do, you will be almost done with the storyboard project. So the first thing you'll need to do is to go into File, New. So my width, I'm doing this in inches, because I'm working in inches. So the width I'm going to do 20 inches. The height is going to be 3.5 because my photos are 2.5, and the resolution is going to be 72. And there you have your strip. I want to change the background of the strip. So I go to Layer, New Fill Layer, pick a solid color. You can do gradient or something else. You just don't want it to compete with the photos. And pick a nice light gray that really works for me in this sort of bluish hue. And then I'm going to go ahead and save it. So File, Save As, Storyboard 2. I'm saving it in my Storyboard Project folder so that I can find it again. And now in my Storyboard Project folder, I have the 5 formatted photos that we worked on yesterday. I'm just going to open those up. And now I'm going to go through one at a time and copy and paste them into my image. So you just select all, go back to the storyboard and paste, and you're going to do this all 5 times. Select all and paste, and align these up. You can certainly use the rulers. I know we've talked about that in the past, so something to think about. Okay, and the next one, let's do the fence picture. Paste this also here. Open this one. And I'm just choosing 5 photos that I was working with yesterday in class. You're going to use your 5 photos, of course. I can always zoom in here with the Control+ or with the zoom in feature. You also want to make sure that you name each of these layers, right? Just like we did in class. So this one is Rainy Roads. And this is just so it's easier for me to remember what they are. It's really important that you do the same. I'm just renaming them exactly what I had them as in my other folders so that I know how to look for them. So I'm just going to adjust this gong photo. Now when I zoom back out, I can have a look. I can see if I want to adjust. I can zoom back in. I can snap in rulers. I also can make sure that these are centered. By holding down the Shift key, you can select, or the Control key, you can select multiple layers at the same time. And then I can nudge them or move them either with the pointer or with the arrow keys, have them be exactly where they are. Last, once you're done with this, you want to save the file. And then you want to flatten it. So you're going to File, Save As. You're going to make it a JPEG, just a regular JPEG. Make sure it's the maximum quality. And then you can go ahead and email it to me. This will be the next phase of this project. I expect this to be done by the end of class. If you have more questions, by all means, you can shoot me an email or come see me during office hours. Thanks.